So you create a job first before you start setting up?
Oh, God. Let's see. So, tap here to create a new job. Tap here to create a new job. Yeah? So, we can call it any name. What's today's date? JJ 03 03 12 23.
The line there is
That's our-
1.59 coming down. So 1, 2, 3. We are checking.
And once you create a job,
That red line.
you can even ask if you want to take a photo. Because the job name is JJ. We take a photo of JJ, yeah, and we store it. So, you can take a photo of the job you're doing to remind you. Otherwise, you just click on back. You won't take photo. Yeah? So, the big box is now your. You see, other people also did take picture. Was it today? No, that's previous paper. You see? So this is your job. Yeah? Then you go to setup. Once you go to setup, it will ask you setup method. 80% we use a resection method. But now we're using known backside. We're using known backside method.
What's the difference between that no backside and reception method?
No backside is that, I even said it when I go. No backside is that you're setting up on a known point.
So there's another non-point.
And then backsighting to another known point. But then resection is, resection, yes, is free station. It's also called free station, which means you must not set up on a station. You can set up anywhere and then use the targets. So once you click on OK, it will say job description or this, and then all you need is very, very important. Instrument height. 1.5 what?
3. 1.593.
That's your job. So you now say OK. The ID setup has been entered. Enter. Where is that? Enter new point.
We take measure with the instrument. What the height we will get? Almost 65.
Yeah, it's not the same. You know, you measure the center. Yes, it's not the same. It can't be the same.
So we can call this STO1. STO1. Then the coordinates of this. We can't get the coordinate of this because we have used GPS to get it, so we'll do it on the field one day. 4329617.885 253.222. Yeah. So all I need now is to shoot the next target. Yeah. Now there's no next target, so I'll impute it. Thank God it's already we can't go out again. You know, I'll just backsight on it. So this backsight method is when you have a known target. We don't have known target because we don't know yet. If we have another, so we use this. You input it. There's a step by step which I'm going to write out how to do this. Yeah. Until you hit on distance, and then it will measure it. You see, it's measuring something, but it's not. We're not. Yeah.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah.
Backsighting or the normal resection, which one is the best?
Back-sighting is more accurate because we're only measuring distance. It's much more accurate. But 80%, in fact 90% of sites is reception. Every day you do
So
reception.
basically, you go there with any known points. You just position yourself.
Yeah, just
and start
position.
shooting.
Oh yeah. That's what we're gonna do now. So, assuming this is bubbled, this is bubbled, what I'm going to do now is to, on that same job, if you go to measure, limit, anyway, let's assume we got it right now. This is moving. Yeah? No, sorry. Go to setup. You go to setup, then we now choose the section method. Yeah? That one, point ID can be anything, eh? And then your height. You don't need to worry about your instrument height in this one. Yeah? So you can put it 0, or if you have measured it, of course, you can put it if you want. But otherwise, you don't need to worry about it when you're doing the section.
Okay.
Now, we don't have any of these targets yet. Oh, sorry. We don't have any of the targets, so let's measure that. Go to measure. We call this RT1.